there is no reason for you to complain that you cannot make a good YouTube thumbnail or cannot make a good presentation. This is Whisk by Google, and this tool helps you to visualize and remix ideas using image and AI. We will see how it works. If you are not someone who is very creative but want creative ideas for your presentation, for your YouTube thumbnail, then you will see how you can use this tool to get what you want. And here you simply drag in the image and you start creating. With your input, you can add the subject, scene, or any other image style what you see here. And then, you can remix to create something unique, which is your own. This really works well. Behind the scene, it's a Gemini model which automatically writes a detailed caption for image, then feeds those into description into Google's latest image generation model, Imagen 3. So this process captures your subject's essence and not exact replica. We will see that once we start working with this tool. So we are here, and here once you click here, you see load template. So there are some presets: chocolate box, plushie, sticker, animal pin, capsule toy, bento box. So I'll leave this to you for you to go and experiment with. You also have the aspect ratio to be set. So if you're trying to create a YouTube thumbnail, you might want to go for landscape, square, mostly Instagram post and those kind of stuff. And then also you have portrait. It is for TikTok, any other such format. So I'm not changing this as it is. I'm keeping. And here you see you have option to add more. Once you click here, subject, scene, style, you can add some more here. I will go with the standard one where the subject will be uploaded and then the scene, and you can also define the style what you want. So right now it shows this style for the Valentine Day. I will keep as it is. If you don't want, you just go delete and get the style what you want. In case you have any YouTube thumbnail reference, you can bring that here and that will create seamlessly, which you're going to see now. So as I said, let me not go for this option. Subject, I'm selecting my photo. So I have given this as a reference. Right now it's analyzing, and then go and add a scene, again sharing a picture, or you can enter the text. If you don't want to share a picture, you can just define it. I'm going with an upload of image. Let me upload the image. So the image is also getting analyzed. I have given a Paris background, and you can see here, this is how it is showing. And then you give additional detail, that is character is eating an ice cream. So I'm just showing character is in front of Eiffel Tower. So Eiffel Tower, and then click on generate. Now it's putting things to work, and almost within no time you will see an image which is generated. And here you see the reference image which I had given, exactly what the image was doing. Same thing is shown here, and it takes the reference background. You can see the Eiffel Tower, and you get a feel of Paris and Valentine. So this is amazing, guys. Without you having to do any hard work, it is creating the image what you want, and much better than I think what I at least could have done. So this tool is free, and you see here you can further refine this. You have option here to refine and add upon this, and once you click here, you also get to see what the prompt is here. So get to see that detail, and you can just go and download once you're finished with by clicking here. So once you click here, the download happens, and if you want to save this as one of your preferred ones, you can go and click here. If you don't like it, you can just go and delete this by clicking here. Friends, try your hand on this. Now that you know that this tool exists, make use of it, and there is no reason for you to complain that you cannot make a good YouTube thumbnail or cannot make a good presentation.